Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this beginner's scrapbooking kit. So if you have a young girl, this is literally meant for elementary, maybe middle school age. It's a beginner's scrapbooking kit. So it's everything they need to get started. So let's unpack it. I'm going to show you everything that's inside. So first off, we have three little things of different colored sparkly ribbon, three different crafting scissors. So these are the scissors that have the different kinds of squiggly blades. So they're not cutting straight, they cut with little squiggles. So three different ones here. Some die cuts. So there's a star and a heart. So these are the ones that actually clip cutouts into the paper. How cute is that? We've got some washi tape here. These are just some embellishments, like scrapbooking embellishments. There's a whole bunch of different ones in here. You've got some different colored pens and markers. Stickers out the wazoo. So these are ones more for decorating of the page, different colors. And then you have some with circles and squares and just banners and hearts. And again, all kinds of colors and styles here. We have some little dazzly bejeweled stickers, some paper, different colored papers, some additional, these are like postcard embellishments. So these are like cardstock with just different themes on them. More stickers. So these are super, super cute. And some stencils. So drawing and doodling in your scrapbook. And some other decorative paper. So yeah, this thing has everything they need to get started. If you have a little crafter, you want to get them a good kit that has a little bit of everything so they can kind of see what they like. I think this is definitely a great one to start with.